Okay, to do this, you're going to need the SIM card, you're going to need this tool, and obviously the Clover unit. So here's our Clover unit. To get at the SIM card, you're going to crack it open the back, remove the tape, of course. Then you'll see two green screws there. Right. Focus on that. Those and those. You'll simply remove them gently. Then once it's removed, it'll expose the SIM tray. See there where the gold pins are? That's where the SIM card is going to have to rest against. So take the SIM card, put the unit down here, take the SIM card, and you're going to place it right where the pins are so that the SIM card will go in like so. Slips in nice and easily. So I can get my hands to hold it properly. There we go. See, once SIM card's in, as you can see, slots in there nice and easy. And then once that is in, close it up. Put your screws, put your tape back in, of course. Close up the unit. And then when you're ready, you turn it back on, enter your code. Okay, here's the unit. Basically, it's had a SIM card put in and taken out. Let me zoom in on that a bit. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and make sure the SIM card is active and working. Wireless manager shows that you're offline. So what you need to do at that point is you need to set up the SIM. The easiest way to do that is just to reboot the unit. Okay, the unit is restarting now. Here we go. We'll enter our code in. Get ourselves in there. And then what we're going to do, go to settings. Sorry, we'll go to settings, settings, network and mobile. It's not going to show that it has any data right now. So the easiest way to get that is, unfortunately, the initial setup, you need to connect the device to a Wi-Fi hotspot, but usually this could be done at factory before it hits the customer. And once you've done that, strangely enough, you have access to the mobile plan. All right, we'll go to mobile network, kind of show you some of the details. One of the key things you need to make sure that you have set up is in your access point names. You can kind of see at the bottom there. Scroll up so you can see that, access point names. Once you select that, it's going to give you the ability to add an access point name. So this one's already been pre-added with TELUS, but in this case you would hit the plus, you'd put a name here, let's just say test, and then your APN, if it's Rogers, would be M2 M internet .apn. Put that in there, and you hit OK. And then that APN now is available, and then you go here and hit save. And then now you have multiple APNs. In this particular case, since it's a TELUS SIM, we're going to leave the TELUS APN in there, and then that's it. You exit out of here, go to the top, you're going to turn off Wi-Fi, and then you can see that LTE pops on, and now it is LTE enabled, and the customer forevermore will never need to use Wi-Fi, and they'll be up and running with the SIM card.